Deep in the tropical forests of South America, a sinister force is at work, one that manipulates the very minds of its victims, turning them into mindless drones with a singular purpose: to spread its dark influence far and wide. This is no horror movie plot, but a very real and disturbing phenomenon, in which a type of fungus infects ants, taking control of their actions and forcing them to do its bidding, a phenomenon that has left scientists both fascinated and unsettled. The fungus, known as Ophiocordyceps unilateralis, is a parasitic organism that infects carpenter ants, slowly devouring their internal tissues, while also exerting a strange and malevolent influence over their behavior, causing them to abandon their normal routines and climb to high locations, where the air is cool and moist, perfect for the fungus to produce its fruiting bodies. As the fungus grows, it eventually kills the ant, but not before it has forced its host to bite onto a leaf, anchoring itself in place, where the fungus can then release its spores, infecting other ants, and continuing the cycle of mind control and death. The level of control exerted by the fungus is truly astonishing, with infected ants exhibiting behaviors that are completely at odds with their normal actions, such as walking in a strange, stiff-legged gait, and biting on leaves with a precision that is almost mechanical, as if they are being manipulated by an invisible force, their bodies mere puppets under the control of the fungus. The fungus even grows a long, thin stalk out of the ant's head, which produces spores that can infect other ants, creating a macabre spectacle that is both fascinating and terrifying to behold. As scientists continue to study this strange and sinister fungus, they are gaining insights into the complex mechanisms that underlie its mind-controlling abilities and the ways in which it is able to manipulate the behavior of its hosts, raising important questions about the nature of free will and the extent to which organisms can be controlled by external forces. The discovery of this fungus has also opened up new avenues of research into the biology of parasitism and the ways in which parasites are able to manipulate the behavior of their hosts, a field of study that is both fascinating and disturbing, as it reveals the dark and often sinister forces that are at work in the natural world. The implications of this discovery are far-reaching and challenge our understanding of the natural world and the ways in which organisms interact with each other and with their environment, highlighting the complex and often hidden forces that shape the lives of even the simplest creatures and revealing the dark and often sinister mechanisms that underlie the natural world, a world that is full of mysteries and wonders, but also full of dangers and terrors. To explore more of these dark and fascinating topics, be sure to subscribe to GenStream for more.